Hello children, you are welcome to ninth period class on first PUC mathematics, very important to second chapter, that is relations and functions. I think it is the last video class on second chapter, that is relations and functions. Dear students, I think in the previous class we have practiced the different types of functions, that is constant function, identity function, modulus function, signum function, etc. So today in this class we have to discuss another last concept of this chapter, that is algebra of two real functions. Algebra of two real functions. Algebra of real functions. Here algebra of real functions means how to add the two functions, how to multiply the two functions, how to multiply the two functions, and how to subtract the two functions, and also how to multiply the function with the constant. So I think this concept is also very important for the sake of your midterm, your test, and also your annual exam. Maybe definitely we can expect one problem, that is 2-mark question problem. Okay children, now listen to me. Here the first concept is addition of two real functions. Addition of two real functions. Children, here let f of x2 or g of x2 or f of x2 or g of x2 are the two functions. Then addition of f of x2 or g of x2 r implies f plus g of x, f plus g of x, f plus g of x, which is equals to f of x plus g of x. It's very simple. See children, here f of x2 or g of x2 r, then addition of these two functions, we are going to take f plus g of x, which is equals to f of x plus g of x. The second function, that is a difference of two real functions. Children, here also we have a f of x2 or g of x2 r, f of x2 or g of x2 r, then f minus g of x2 r is nothing but f minus g of x, which is equals to f of x minus g of x. See children, how simple here we have the concepts. F of x2 or g of x2 or, then f minus g of x is equals to f of x minus g of x, f of x minus g of x. See children, the next one is multiplication of two real functions. Here also it's very simple. F of x2 or g of x2 or, then multiplication of f of x2 or g of x2 or, we can represent in the form of f into g of x, f into g of x, which is equals to f of x into g of x. That's what here we have children. Multiplication of two real functions. F of x2 or and g of x2 or, then f into g of x, which is equals to f of x into g of x. The last one is quotient rule. First one we have addition rule, second one we have subtraction rule, third one we have multiplication rule, and the last one we have, that is fourth one, quotient rule. In quotient rule also, let f of x2 or g of x2 or, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, f of x2 or g of x2 or, then then quotient of f by g of x, f by g of x, which is equals to f of x by g of x, f of x by g of x. Numerator we will get f of x and denominator we will get g of x. Quotient of two real functions, let f of x2 r and g of x2 r, then f by g of x is equals to f of x by g of x, f of x by g of x. The last concept, that is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication, children. So here alpha is nothing but a constant into function, constant into function of x, constant into function of x is equals to, let us take out constant as a constant and remaining function, that is constant into function. Constant into function is nothing but constant function. See children, how simple. Here we have the rules: multiplication rule, subtraction rule, addition rule and quotient rule. Understand children? I hope now you are got the idea. Just to pause the video and take down the notes, then after that we will do some problems based on these concepts. Okay children, next put that line, problems on algebra of real functions. Problems on algebra of real functions. Problems on algebra of real functions. Here I will show you all four types of real functions. Then definitely you can do yourself very easily. Children, here we have the first problem, that is let f of x is equals to x square and g of x is equals to 2x plus 1 be two real functions. Two real functions. Find f plus g of x, f minus g of x, f into g of x, f by g of x. Children, here I have taken very simple problem. Now let me explain the answer. Children, please look at the mobile screen. Now let us take down the first given f of x, that is x square, and given g of x, that is 2x plus 1. Children, here f plus g of x we have to find. It's very simple. F plus g of x is nothing but f of x. Here we have addition. Let us take here also addition. The remaining is g of x. It's very simple, children. F plus g of x, which is equals to f of x plus g of x. In place of f of x, let us write x square. In place of g of x, let us write 2x plus 1. Yes, this is what we called as answer. Next, the second one is f minus g of x. F minus g of x. Children, the value of f minus g of x is nothing but f of x minus g of x. F of x value is x square. G of x value is, open the bracket. It's very important. I am repeating once again. It's very important because here you have a negative sign. That's why you should write the next function, open the bracket, 2x plus 1. Then only you will get the correct answer. Okay, children? Let us write x square as it is. Now, minus into 2x minus 2x. Minus into plus minus 1. Now, let us go for doing f into g x. F into g of x. F into g of x. That's what we called as f into g of x is nothing but f of x into g of x. G of x. Children, in place of f of x, we should take down the f of x value, that is x square, into, in place of g of x, we should take down the g of x value, that is 2x plus 1. Close the bracket. Now we have to simplify the given monomial with binomial, that is 2x into x square, 2x cube, plus into plus plus, x square into 1, x square. So this is what we called as correct answer. The last one is f by g of x, which is equals to f of x by g of x. That implies the value of f of x is x square and the value of g of x is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. See, this is what we called as answer. It's very simple problems. So these simple problems definitely we can expect each and every year. Yes. Sure. Okay, children, just to pause the video and take down the notes. Then after that, I will give you another question based on these concepts. Okay, children, under this, the second problem, that is root x and x. Now let me find the values of f plus g of x, f minus g of x, f into g of x, f by g of x. Let us write down the first f of x value root x, g of x value x. F of x value is how much? Root x. We should write plus as it is. G of x value is x. It's very simple. Next, children, here also f of x value root x, g of x value x. That is the answer. Or we can simplify, children, no problem. Let us write root x as it is. We can write x in terms of root, that is root x whole square. Root x whole square. You can take out root x as a common factor. that is root x into 1 minus root x. I think this is the final answer. The next one is a root x into x, that is x root x. So we cannot simplify this one, you can keep as it is, or we can simplify, children, no problem. Here there is no any number means 1 present, that is x power 1 into x power 1 by 2. Now bases are the same, power should be added. Bases are the same, power should be added, that is x power 1 plus of 1 half, that is 1.5, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. F of x value is root x, g of x value is x. Just now I told you we can express root x as root x whole square or root x into root x. Straight away we can cancel root x, so we will get only 1 by root x. So this is what we call as answer. Okay, children, so these are very simple problems. Just to pause the video and take down the notes, then after that I will give you last problem in this chapter. Okay, children. Children, let us take the last problem in this chapter, that is the third problem, f of x plus 1 2x minus 3. I think you can do yourself. ನೀವೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Understand, children? Take this one as a homework. By keeping your video and your notes, you can do yourself. Okay, children? By giving homework problem, I am closing. I am stop this video and also this chapter, that is relations and functions. I hope in relation functions I made nearly 8 videos. Children, please watch repeatedly, carefully, keenly these 8 videos, so that definitely will get the idea about relations and functions. Please, children, you should not neglect the practice. You should not forget the concept of practicing. Children, please keep on practice your mathematics, that is first PUC mathematics. Next year you are nothing but second PUC students. That means your public exam facing students. Keep in your mind. ಮುಂದೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೋರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ silly. You should take each and every class seriously, so that definitely will get the idea. Okay, children, thank you. Have a nice day.